One thing everyone's wondering since HubSpot announced they're entering the project management space is HubSpot trying to replace tools like Asana, ClickUp, or Monday.com? In this clip from our webinar, Mark Miller, Senior PM at HubSpot, breaks down how HubSpot actually sees projects fitting into the project management ecosystem.
I saw there was a question of how we think about ourselves versus another project management software like Asana or work management like ClickUp, et cetera. What we're trying to do is we are going after use cases that are relevant for some of the existing personas that use HubSpot and trying to provide them the set of capabilities that they need to be able to accomplish that use case in HubSpot without leaving if they would like to. For certain businesses that are using a third-party project management software, we are also working on integrations so that you can have more of a seamless connection between them. So for example, like with marketing campaigns, with the Marketing Studio feature that's in beta, we are building an agnostic solution there where you may do your project management within HubSpot or you may do your project management elsewhere. We want to have that be a seamless connection between them. Ultimately, HubSpot is never going to have the feature depth that a software like Asana or ClickUp has. It's really solving for like a common denominator of requested features that hopefully can enable many customers to use this use case. But there will still be tons of valid reasons why a business may want to do some or all of their project management in another software, or some of the enterprise customers may decide that no matter what, we're not going to do this use case in HubSpot because we just aren't as feature rich as some of the other solutions that exist in the market.
So you heard it from Mark. HubSpot isn't trying to replace full project management tools, at least not yet, but it is planning to make front office project work easier inside the CRM. We've got even more clips coming, so keep watching for a deeper dive into projects.